Meet Bill. He's a quality manager at a manufacturing company. Bill's a hard worker, but no matter how hard he works, each day seems to slip away as he gathers information and types his reports. Armed with just a tally book, Bill ventures into the shop for an internal audit, but quickly finds himself lost amid complex equipment and confusing requirements. Frustrated, he retreats back to his office, resigned to endless typing and clerical tasks. His potential as a leader remains untapped. Enter QMS2Go. With this new tool, our quality manager effortlessly uploads procedures for work analysis, requests integration of necessary changes, and tracks his work effectively. Communication is never an issue, as QMS2Go's advanced capabilities in multiple languages ensures consistent quality and systems management across global operations. With QMS2Go's voice-activated assistant, Bill can ask questions, set reminders, and receive timely information all hands-free. And with accessibility on the web, mobile, and tablet devices, QMS2Go functions without an internet connection, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. With QMS2Go, Bill returns to the shop, and since he's no longer tied to his tally book, he speaks confidently and snaps photos seamlessly, building his audit report. Each picture he takes, whether of equipment or processes, elicits real-time insights and requirements from QMS2Go. Back in the office, he swiftly generates insightful reports, issuing quick corrective actions while keeping everyone in the loop. And when his company's annual management review is due, Bill and his team are ready, thanks to QMS2Go. Our quality manager has transformed. No longer just a clerk, he's a respected leader, driving excellence with his intellect and QMS2Go's assistance. Now, he can focus on value-added work and drive performance in operations and beyond. Train with your data, leverage your best practices, and elevate your operations to new heights with QMS2Go, your QMS compliance assistant. Step into the future and help your organization become an exemplar of excellence.